Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss activity number 4. What happens when metal carbonates reacts with acid and what happens when metal hydrogen carbonates reacts with acid. For that we are going to perform a very simple activity. The other day we have performed a simple activity. What happened? Metal reacts with acid. When metal reacts with acid, hydrogen gas is formed. And when metal carbonate reacts with acid or metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, as a result we get salt, water and carbon dioxide. You all know that carbon dioxide turns lime water into milky. If lime water turns into milky, we can conclude that carbon dioxide gas is evolved. So today we are going to perform a very simple activity. On the day of experiment, try to take one test tube, try to fix it to a retard stack and try to take few granules of sodium carbonate. So this is an experiment which is dealing with what happens when acid reacts with metal carbonates. So we have taken sodium is a metal, sodium carbonate, so nothing but a metal carbonate, and we are closing test tube with a 2-hole rubber stopper. In one hole in 2-hole rubber stopper, in one hole we are inserting crystal funnel, in another hole we are inserting delivery tube. To the crystal funnel we are adding few drops of hydrogen dilute hydrogen chloride. We are not using concentrated hydrogen chloride, we are using dilute hydrogen chloride. In the other end of the test tube we are using delivery tube, and delivery tube collects what is the product formed here, and the other end of the delivery tube is kept in the test tube, which consists of calcium hydroxide solution. And now when dilute HCl is added to Na2CO3, dilute HCl reacts with sodium carbonate, and as a result sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide is formed, and the carbon dioxide which is formed is passing to the delivery tube and is collected at CaOH twice. And when the carbon dioxide is coming here, this is a lime water, and this lime water turns into milky. Hence we conclude that carbon dioxide is formed, and this carbon dioxide on reacting with calcium hydroxide, and as a result calcium carbonate and water is formed, and further calcium carbonate reacts with carbon dioxide and water, we get CaHCO3 twice, which is soluble in water. If we do, here is a note, metal carbonate reacts with acid. What is the metal carbonate? Sodium carbonate is the metal carbonate. When it reacts with acid, what is the acid? HCl is the acid. When when metal carbonate reacts with acid, as a result salt, water and carbon dioxide is formed. Salt, water and carbon dioxide is formed. Similarly, when sodium hydrogen carbonate, when metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with HCl, same result, we will get NaCl, nothing but salt, we will get water and we will get carbon dioxide. See, one more activity I am saying. In the place of Na2CO3, try to take NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. On the day of experiment, try to take one test tube and try to fix the test tube to the retard stand and try to take sodium hydrogen carbonate. After taking sodium hydrogen carbonate in the test tube, close the test tube with the 2-hole rubber stopper. In one hole try to insert crystal funnel, in another hole try to insert delivery tube. To the crystal funnel try to add a few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid. This sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with HCl, and as a result salt, water and carbon dioxide is formed. The carbon dioxide which is formed is collected to the delivery tube. And the other end of the delivery tube is in the test tube, and this carbon dioxide which is collected, which turns lime water into milky. Hence we conclude that carbon dioxide is formed. One thing is very clear: when sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, what are the end products are? Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Salt, water and carbon dioxide. Thank you.